Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Amazing volatility again, and we had amazing profit. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you how I help them to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour chart, we were short from yesterday once the price developed a false breakout. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we were short from here yesterday, bank amazing profit. We also had a few short trade here, and afterwards, as you can see here, this move, and once the price respected this level, this resistance level, this candle give us the confirmation, and we have taken a short. As soon as the price broke on this previous low, we have taken a short trade here on pullbacks. Let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. If you look at this morning, let me make it slightly bigger. Right, so this morning 7 o'clock, as you can see here, the price nicely developed this pattern and explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Price nicely broken this morning, and as you can see here, after this breakout, we also had this pullback. So once the price hit this support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So this is the morning trade, guys. So, and afterwards at the New York session, once the price reversed, as you can see here, and respected this level, and what happened after that, as you can see here, price developed, price broke on this previous low. As always, after this breakout, we're expecting a pullback. Momentum was bearish, as you can see here. Price nicely developed pullback, and as soon as the price broke on the previous low in 4 hour, that's what explained to trader, scaling trade another one and keep taking a pullbacks. You can see here, as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards, once the price developed a double bottom here, as you can see here, the price reverse, we did another pattern. Most of the trader was asking, now probably price might gonna shoot up. That's what I did, another analysis, and explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this recent high or this recent low, then we're going to take a trade accordingly. So you can see here, because our bias was bearish, as you can see here, price nicely broke on this level as mentioned in the analysis, and through live audio commentary we have a breakout and another one trade here. As soon as the price hit this level just before closing the market, I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour. From yesterday, we have taken all these short trade here. All right, let's move into the pound dollar cable. All right, so cable, we had amazing trade. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, yesterday we were short. As soon as the price broke on this previous low, we have taken all this short trade here. So we were expecting it after this breakout. Eventually we were expecting a pullback here. That's what I explained to my, as long as the explained to my trader, if the price is gonna be stay below this level, we're just gonna keep taking a short trade here. And let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday. And if you look at this morning, okay, so this morning 7 o'clock, just before 7, yeah, this is the analysis we did this morning, just before 8 o'clock, before London Open. 7:30 we do live analysis. As you can see here, explain to my trader again, same example I just mentioned you in EURUSD. This is the recent high, this is the recent low, so we're looking at this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price retest as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And once the price reverse, which I explained to my trader, look for, because the price reverse and break this level, so look for another breakout, which price nicely broken. Eventually price came back and hit this level, and most of the traders bank beautiful pips because I finished my early day today. Okay, so at the New York session, as you can see here, price nicely respected here, and as you can see here, price could not maintain above this level. Price developed this level, so explain to my trader, look for this breakout. So technically price respected this level, and we have false breakouts, so price is nicely respected here at these levels. So in symmetric triangle pattern, we have another beautiful breakout. As soon as the price broken, I updated that analysis instantly because some of the trader was expecting my going to reverse because of this reversal at the support level in 4 hour. You can see here. So I did another analysis, explained to my trader more likely am I going to see this breakout, and after this breakout look for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after this breakout price nicely respected previously, you can see here, and that's what we announced through live audio commentary. And once the price hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had amazing short trade on EURUSD, pound dollar, and we also had a beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. Let me show you. All right, so if you look at here, we were short from here. If you haven't seen my video previous analysis, look at here. As explained, we have false breakout, so we have taken this short trade here, price nicely broken, we have another pullback, price broken this level, we have expect another pullback, short trade here. So you can see here we had a beautiful short trade from beginning of the week we were long, and mid of the week we have taken all the short trade here. So today we were expecting a news that for the CAD, which was good, positive. So if you look at based on the price action, price nicely respected. We have bearish engulfing candle pattern. We had a very small long trade. We were expecting price might gonna break, but eventually price came back. After this bearish engulfing candle, we have taken the short trade here, and bank, and the new supported too. We have taken all the short trade here. Bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday, in entries and exit. If you look at this morning, we have, this is the breakout. As soon as the price develop a false breakout, as you can see here, price retested the same level again, double bottom here. So if you look at here, inverted head and shoulder pattern, so price nicely broken this previous high, this triangle pattern, and beautiful breakout, and we have another pullback here. As soon as the price failed to break this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see how the price is going to react, because we were expecting high impact news for the CAD today. And as you can see here, just before the news release, price already broke on this one, and price keep respecting it after this breakout. So I explained to my trader momentum was bearish, so we just keep taking a short trade here, and let's see if the news is going to support us. After that, news was very good. We had a beautiful breakout, and after that we have another pullback. Once we bank some profit, price developed a double bottom here, even triple bottom here, and we have another very small counter long trade on dollar CAD. So right now, if you look at here, price developed here in intraday. You can see here low high is being developed. So if the price is going to keep respecting this previous high, so we're expecting another long here. But if the price is going to break, then break this trend support line, then we're expecting a short trade here. We'll see next week, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train with the live market and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, all the best.